Still winter, cloudy day. The sun is hidden, but the weather is hot. Nice day for a bike ride. I like so much the fresh sea smell.
Puzza di alghe e marce.
Who said that you have to choose between beaches and a bike ride? Here in Sardinia you can have both in the same place. Trail through salty lakes, tropical palms and amazing beaches. But today we are here to ride a bike, so we start to give a look to the trail. I'll promise to give a look also to the sea. A short climb to get up in the top of a big cliff and give a look all around. Then straight down in the trail. The terrain is rock, tall and sharp rocks, worked by the sea. It's usual to find soft sand, and here you can just pull your bike. Steep technical climbs that will let you warm up. Then the trail passes so close to the sea. The road is not always clear, and you have to track your own way, going up and down. Technical movements are required. Little stop for panorama. And then have fun sliding in a soft deep sand. The trail passes through hills area, so you will always go up and down. Here start the technical climb until the highest point. That climb can be avoided with an easy road, but naturally we have chosen the most difficult one, because when you climb it, it gives you satisfaction.
E c'è! Però è più facile l'altra!
The views start to be amazing. Finally we get over the top, where you can see and climb over one ancient coastal tower. Today there isn't a strong light, but the water looks beautiful. After a little break, again on the trail. When you see the lighthouse, it's time to unlock your suspensions and let the downhill start.
Stars fall at my feet, keep me grounded as I reach higher than I see. Is there something there for me? Pulling back the reins, letting go again. I'm not afraid, I'm not. All my life
trail continues to give you beautiful views over the sea and beaches. Always remember to keep both hands in the handlebar, also when the track is easy.
Ah, dolore.
Stai riprendendo? Sì,
Ok, è
grande,
ripresa.
Grande, riprendi questo.
Questa l'abbiamo
devi
ripresa.
pubblicare? La devi
Questa l'abbiamo
pubblicare?
ripresa.
I was checking my camera and an hard piece of wood struck hard in my foot. You can have the same feeling if you kick one wall. So painful. Just one moment to see the sun that goes down, hidden by clouds, and back again in the trail end. I wish that you liked the video, press thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for riding with me today and see you next time. Bye!
Continua che mi serve per il video.
Adesso salto qua sul manione.